want to show you ways to make a DC MedRec really efficient. So you're all familiar with going to the DC MedRec workflow. Click here. Use the cross encounter if you're going to go to Hotel Do Shaver, but otherwise this is the DC MedRec workflow. The scroll icon here is a home med. Manipulate this med if the dose isn't changing, but you want to either have the patient continue the med, or you want to prescribe them a new med with this little pill bottle workflow, or stop it. Stop the hospital version of this if the dose hasn't changed. Then there's a couple shortcuts I want to show you. You don't have to click each thing. You can go to the bottom here and discontinue all inpatient PRNs if you don't need them, or discontinue all remaining hospital meds if you don't need them. So click that, they're all stopped. Click that, they're all stopped. And then you're done your discharge med rec. Much more efficient than clicking through each med.